Hello everyone. Today's video I'm gonna tell the background of my video. I'm gonna tell my 4 deaths. My first death is in a chamber. Slime spawner. It's a lot of slime, and I die because I'm not geared, and I regeared and kill up the slime. My second death is to underwater zombie, call that. I don't know the name, but they killed me because I swim in the water, and like I see a portal, I go there, I drop in the water, I got jump, and I go back there and take my stuff. And my third and fourth death is the nether. I go in a portal, I got ambushed by a gas and a piglin. Then that is my third death. And my fourth death is in the overworld. The piglin accidentally go in the portal and never turn into pigs. That I hear that piglin turn to pigs if they go in the overworld, and I died there. I got ambushed too. They go in, crossbow me, and I die the fourth time. And that is the story of the background of the 4 death and this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.